So I'm using medium worsted yarn, number 4, and 8mm crochet hook, which is bigger than the recommended crochet hook for this yarn. The purpose of this is to make the blanket easier and faster to work. So we will start with a chain 4, magic loop, and a chain 4. Two double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same chain. Chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same chain. We need to have 5 clusters, and a cluster is 3 double crochet together like this one. So 5 total. Chain 1, chain 1, and the last one, the 5th. Chain 1 and join. This is our first round. Now I'm gonna chain 3. So this chain 3 will be a part of the last cluster coming back to the same round. Now we'll be working in these spaces, the chain 1 spaces only. So what I'm gonna do in each space is a cluster, chain 1 cluster. That means 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet in all the spaces. In the next space, the same thing. 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. I will continue the same till the end of the round. So I'm back to the last chain 1 space. I did 3 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, and I will join to the initial chain 3, which we said will be considered as a double crochet. Now for round 3 I will chain 3 and in the same space 2 double crochet. So our first cluster. And in every space I'm gonna chain 1 and 3 double crochet or cluster. So throughout this round it's gonna be cluster, chain 1, cluster only, no increase, just to shape the round. Chain 1 like this till the end of the round. As always, don't forget to look at the written pattern for you to follow each round with the right numbers of clusters and increases. Because here I'm showing you the basics of each round, but the detailed one will be in the written pattern. Round number 4, chain 3. Again, we'll make an increase in the space, which is cluster, chain 1, cluster. So that means 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same space. Chain 1, in the next space, just 1 cluster. So in one cluster, in one space we will make 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. In the next space we will make 3 double crochet only, or 1 cluster only. So to increase the width of the round or circle and to keep it flat as well. Just the same concept when you make a circle or anything in round shape. So I will do the same till the end of the round. In one space I will increase the cluster, double cluster, and in the next space just 1 cluster. I hope it's clear so far. Like this one. 1 cluster, double cluster, 1 cluster, double cluster. So I'm at the end of the round again, and here we come back to the chain 3. I'm gonna do just 1 cluster. So 2 double crochet and join to the chain 3. As we said, chain 3 is considered a double crochet. Now the next round will be 1 cluster in each space only, as the round before. So basically, to increase these granny stripes in round, one round will be the one round will be just 1 cluster in each space, and the next round will always be the increase of the circle, which is double cluster in one space and 1 cluster in the next space. So we'll just go step by step. So for this round I'm gonna chain 3, next space 1 cluster, and the same will be in each space. Chain 1 and another cluster in the next space. Just single clusters in all the spaces. So 1 round is single clusters and 1 round will be the increase of the clusters to keep the circle flat, the granny circle. So this round will be repetitive in every other round. Again, the pattern will help you follow clearly. So now I'm at the end of this round, which is the single clusters. Now again on the next round I'm gonna increase. So the beginning space will be double cluster, the next 2 spaces now will be single clusters. So every time I have a round of increase, I will increase the number of single clusters. That means double cluster will be always there, but we will increase in every round the single clusters by 1. So in this row it will be single cluster in the next 2 rounds. In the next increase will be single cluster in the next 3 rounds, and so on. Again, when we follow with the written pattern, you'll understand more. So now I will chain 3. My double cluster will be here, so 2 double crochet, so makes it 3, chain 1, 3 double crochet or cluster, now in the next space it will be a single cluster. This will widen the round granny and will keep it flat. So I have finished 2 pieces of the round granny pillow, and now I'm going to show you for the next step how to attach them together how to attach them together. And you can use a fiber fill, or if you have a round pillow or anything you like to fill your pillow. We'll go to the next step right away. So with one side facing me and the other side should be the wrong side facing me, so they're both right side. So I will slip stitch to attach the yarn. I'll chain 1 and I will make a single crochet in every stitch. We'll make sure the stitches are facing one another like this. So slowly I will work my single crochet throughout the round. And then before I finish closing, I will fill the pillow with fiber fill or cotton or whatever you have available. I will finish the single crochet and then I'll come back to show you the final result. So this is the final look of the granny round pillow, and this is how it looks like. It is around 22 rounds and the measurement I think is around 30 centimeters. I'm not sure, but you'll find all the right details in the written pattern. So if you have any questions and queries, do not forget to leave it in the comment section. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Until next time, take care, bye bye.